pop socket, and then I'm trying to design something around the pop socket. So in this case, I thought that was pretty cute. And in this case, this is pretty cute too. So when I put the cell phone case in there, and then I put it in there, and I add the pop socket to it, it's a really, really cute gift that somebody would be excited for. Same thing with the other case I made. So this one's just paper, and I've just used paper and some clip art. This one is actually vinyl, so this one you have to stick down. And I just made it, and then I decorated it with some stickers. And this one will go directly onto the iPhone. And then we'll finish that one up, clean the case, and add the pop socket to that one. So those are a couple of ones I did where you can see I've used vinyl and paper. Another option you can do is you can cover an actual not clear case. So for this one, I have a pop socket that is really worn out and doesn't look that good in an older case, and so I created a vinyl cover for it and a cover for the pop socket, and then I did some kind of modern looking stickers to go on top of that one. The third one, this was a cute pop socket that my daughter has, and so I wanted to create a new iPhone case for her, and this is a removable vinyl. You can see how cute that will be. And then I created some graphics to go on the bottom and sides of it, and yeah, so we're designing around the pop socket on this, and I'm just gonna probably speed up the film, and I'm just gonna put on some of these cute decals, show you how you can, create a really cute gift for people. Hey, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter to get access to our free, huge project library. Tons of craft projects, tutorials, patterns, all for free. And in your first newsletter, you'll get invited to our chat and craft sessions, where we help you get your craft projects started and help you find time to finish them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.